Hey my NIKICharmz, welcome back to my channel. So this starts my Christmas series. I'll be posting a couple of videos until Christmas. So today's video features this beautiful wreath that I'm making with some gold accents. Everything was purchased from Hobby Lobby. They had a beautiful sale, so I got so many pieces. So we're gonna put this all together. So stay tuned to see how it came out. And if you like DIY projects like this and want to see more DIY videos, comment down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. First thing I did was fluff up my wreath to bring it to life. Next, I'm taking this beautiful gold and silver trim of ribbon and I'm wrapping it around the wreath. And I'm reeling off enough that I'm able to have extra to make a bow. And I'm just placing it in and out like how you would do a shoelace. Then I fluffed out the pieces that were visible in the front. And when I got down to the bottom, I tied and made a bow. Then cut the ends at an angle to make it look a little more fancy. And it's looking good so far. And now to add in the accent pieces. And I'm just styling as I go. And I'm loving these little pine cones. It's giving the wreath some character. At this point, the wreath was looking good, so I had to hang it just to see if I needed any more extra, but I think it's fine the way how it is. Sometimes less is more. Now that I think it has enough pieces, I'm just going back and fluffing up the ribbon and making sure everything's in place. And here's the final results. I think it's beautiful and aesthetically pleasing. Tell me in the comments, how do you like it? Should I have added more or taken out something? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, be blessed, guys. Mwah.